armor.
Oh shit,
Actually,
dude. A new map just started. Fuck! Okay, cool. Ow, you fuckers.
I'm the bee's knees. Okay.
Alright, big boy.
Where's armor? Armor is over here.
Get it started. Yeah, look at that picture. Remember your family. Do what's right.
Remember who you are.
Familiar to me. I knew them once. Years past. They were my simia. My family. I came here to this cursed land to do a job. And they had me. Yet they made me turn on this machine of the damned. It caused horrible things. I caused horrible things. Omega Group. They have big plans. You are here to stop them. I will help you. We will shut off this infernal machine. Close the gateway. It will be the first step. I will repair the damage I have done.
And we shall protect you.
Remarkable. Its brain functionality has been restored enough to recall its former self. Bet Mary Shelley would have something to say about this.
Deactivate the accelerator's priority one, strike team. Nothing can do it. Buy the time it needs.
Holy shit.
Protect him.
One less screamer.
Hey,
Give me a brain rot. Holy shit. Got a blind.
I killed man. Oh my god!
Are you down?
No! What the fuck was that? I said, what the fuck happened? I had multiple buttons to push, I didn't know what to do. I was scared.
This thing futuristic enough for you? Yep, he's done.
I need energy for my gun.
That's awkward. That's awkward.
Come. I have this bitch. Oh my god! Oh my
Oh,
god!
hell yeah, baby. Brain rot.
That's a hairy meatball! Hey, what's up, big boy?
I need more time.
Don't worry, bro, we got you.
Keep the system on hold.
Suck jaw!
God, I'm scared.
No! Dude, no! I'm stuck! I'm stuck in the corner! I'm using ether. Holy shit. Oh, fuck, dude.
Like Jimmy Neutron in this bitch.
He's down for good this time.
Dude, this electric one fucks him up, bro. Holy crap.
Hydro intrusion exceeding safety parameters. Activating fail-safe shutdown.
Holy megaton.
I killed a whole bunch of megatons, bro. Holy fuck. Oh my god. There's 4 of them! Oh my god! Help!
Stomach.
I need more energy. I'm out of energy. I need to suck draw some people.
Hello. Good power. Stunning. Again.
Oh my god, what the fuck? My game's
Okay.
lagging.
There's nothing I can do with those guys.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
All I have is a fucking shotgun. He's going out!
Ow! Asshole!
Oh, yeah. You go to work, little man. Oh, suck.
Oh my goodness, dude. These Megatrons refill your... I forgot they refill your energy up all the way.
Really? Thank the R&D boys.
Yeah, you watch him. I'll go fuck the Megatrons.
Got one to buy it. Can't see this. Okay, go ahead. You're good. 4.
Dude, this one's
Sit.
fucking meta, bro. Are you ready for it? Are you ready to rumble?
Okay, so don't go through the tunnel and pond. Go to the backside. Okay?
Yeah,
Go to the backside and then pond.
yeah. Don't run into the lightning
Same
bolts.
mistake again. Come up. Come up here. Get ready to run. This is it.
That's all I need to hear.
You got an ether shroud
Raptor
just in
1 is
case?
inbound, strike team. Get the
Yes,
hell
I
out
do.
of there.
I don't think I've used it once.
Go, go, go,
Go.
go!
You have 90 seconds to reach minimum safety distance.
Oh my god.
Oh no, it's awesome.
I got fucking pins in this fucking gangbang. Matthew, I'm stuck in here!
I'm stuck.
ELZ, Requiem X.
You thought I was dead. You thought I was dead, bitch. You know who the fuck I am?
Oh my god, okay, we made it. We gotta survive.
Raptor 1 on the ground, Requiem.
Yeah, we must survive.
Team, we gotta go. Let's move it.
What?
Military tech is
Let's go! Let's go!
Strike team on board for extraction.
We finally did it. That was way
Requiem,
too
Alpha
aggressive.
Site just went nuclear.
Oh, dude, I got
Good
stuck.
work, strike team. We've
I got
closed the
stuck
breach.
in fucking med bay, dude.
But I got a feeling Omega Group is just
Dude,
getting started.
I had to fucking use my rift out of med bay.
Yeah, so did I.
I got hung up on like zombies, and I dipped out of there like that. Then I got down at the entrance to the tunnel,
Oh, wow.
and so I had to use my self revive. So that was clutch.
Right? God, dude, that was crazy.
Yeah.
Easter egg finally done. Thank you guys for so much for watching this ending of the Easter egg to Die Machine, and it was stressful. I definitely recommend it though.
10 o'clock.
Love it, guys. Please leave a like and follow, and I'll see you in the next video.
See.